7 money mistakes you don't want to make in your teens, 20s, and 30s. Welcome, financial adventurers, to an eye-opening exploration of the treacherous landscape of personal finance. Today, we embark on a journey through the pivotal decades of 20s, 30s, and your teens, uncovering the 7 money mistakes that can derail your path to financial success. So let's grab your financial compass and let's sail on the transformation voyage together. Hello, I'm Saj and welcome to the channel. Number 1 mistake: neglecting to create an emergency fund. The invincibility of youth. But wait, my young comrade, life has a way of throwing unexpected curveballs. Failing to create an emergency fund in your teens, 20s, and 30s is like venturing into the great unknown without a safety net. Picture this: you, the financial superhero, with a sidekick called emergency fund, ready to save the day. Building your emergency fund in your 20s and early on is like having a secret weapon against life's unexpected plot twists. Start saving diligently and create a financial buffer for those inevitable rainy days. Remember, even superheroes need financial shield to protect them from unforeseen challenges. Building an emergency fund in your 20s is like summoning a financial superhero to rescue you from the jaws of financial disaster. It's time to unleash your inner money-saving champion. By saving 3 to 6 months of living expense, you will be equipped to conquer any financial curveballs life throws at you. So, start budgeting, cut down on unnecessary expense, and watch that emergency fund grow like a mighty fortress of financial security. Mistake number 2: accumulating credit card debt. Accumulating credit card debt is like dancing with financial danger. It may start innocently enough with a swipe here, swipe there, but before you know it, you are caught in a downward spiral of mounting debt. The convenience and allure of credit cards can quickly turn into a financial nightmare. Interest rates on credit cards tend to be high, and if you're unable to pay off your balance in full each month, interest charges can snowball, causing your debt to skyrocket. What was once a small purchase can quickly become a significant financial burden. Not only does accumulating credit card debt mean you are paying more for your purchases in the long run due to interest charges, but it will also negatively impact your credit score. High levels of debt relative to your credit limit can lower your credit score, making it more difficult for you to secure loan or obtain favorable rates in future. It is crucial to use credit cards responsibly. Keep your balances low and develop a plan to pay off existing credit card debt as soon as possible to regain control of your financial well-being. Mistake number 3: not understanding the importance of multiple sources of income. Having multiple sources of income is like constructing a sturdy financial fortress that can weather the storms of economic uncertainty. Relying solely on a single income stream is akin to placing all your financial eggs in one fragile basket. By diversifying your income sources, you create a safety net that cushions against unexpected events such as job loss or economic downturn. Multiple income streams provide stability, flexibility, and a sense of financial empowerment. Whether it's a side hustle, rental property, investments, or freelance work, each additional income stream adds another layer of financial security and increases your ability to generate wealth. Additionally, multiple sources of income offer a higher earning potential and faster progress towards your financial goal. So let's embrace the power of diversifying our income and open the doors of financial freedom and resilience. Mistake number 4, a classic one: not learning about personal finance, or shall we say neglecting financial education. Learning about personal finances in your 20s is like acquiring a treasure trove of wisdom to navigate the twists and turns of the financial realm. Don't be a clueless wanderer in the land of money. Equip yourself with knowledge. Dive into books, listen to podcasts, and explore online resources that cover topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. The more you know, the better you are equipped, and you will be able to make informed financial decisions. Without a solid understanding of personal finance, you may find yourself making poor financial decisions, falling prey to scams, or even being taken advantage of by financial institutions. Furthermore, the lack of financial education can lead to poor budgeting, overspending, and accumulating unnecessary debt. It also means that you are missing out on opportunities to invest wisely and grow your wealth. Learning about personal finance empowers you to take control of your financial future, make informed decisions, and build a solid foundation for your long-term financial success. So don't let your ignorance be your financial undoing. Dive into the world of personal finance and unlock the keys to financial freedom. Mistake number 5: not diversifying your investments. One ring to rule them all. Well, that didn't work in Lord of the Rings, and I'm sure it ain't gonna work in your life too. One investment to rule them all? Well, not in your early teens, 20s, and 30s. Diversifying investments is like building a financial fortress to protect yourself from the dragons of financial volatility. Don't put all your gold in one treasure chest. Spread your investment wisely and become the master of financial destiny. The thrills of putting all your eggs in one financial basket is like a magician trying to perform a trick with just one single card. Diversifying investment is a crucial strategy that can significantly impact your financial well-being. By spreading your investments across various asset classes and sectors, you reduce the risk of your entire portfolio being affected by a single event or a market turndown. It's like building a financial safety net that cushions against unexpected shocks. Diversification allows you to capture the potential upside of different investments while mitigating the downside risks. Including a mix of stock, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes, you can achieve a more balanced and resilient portfolio. It is a proactive approach that safeguards your wealth enhances potential returns, and provides you a buffer against market volatility. So let's embrace the power of diversification and unlock the door of long-term financial success. Mistake number 6, not investing earlier. One of my favorite one, and I'm guilty of doing it myself too. Not starting to invest early is like missing out on a golden opportunity to grow your wealth. Time is a powerful ally when it comes to investing, and delaying to start can have significant consequences. By procrastinating on investing, you lose out the potential of compound interest, the magical force that multiplies your money over time. The longer you wait, the more you're missing out on potential gains. Additionally, delaying your journey means you'll have to save more aggressively later on to catch up, putting a strain on your financial resources. Moreover, you miss the chance to benefit from the power of long-term market growth, as historical data consistently shows that investments tend to appreciate over time. By not starting early, you are effectively leaving money on the table and limiting your financial opportunities in the future. So don't wait for the perfect moment or get caught into analysis paralysis. Start investing as soon as possible and set yourself up for a brighter financial future. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. It is important how much time you're in the market rather than timing the market. Mistake number 7, living beyond your means. Living beyond your means is like building a house of cards on a shaky foundation. It may provide a temporary illusion of success and happiness, but the consequences can be severe. When you consistently spend more money than you earn, you create a cycle of financial stress and instability. You become reliant on credit card and loans to sustain your lifestyle, leading to mounting debt and high interest payments. Living beyond your means not only jeopardizes your financial security, but also hinders your ability to save for future. You may find yourself trapped into a perpetual cycle of paycheck to paycheck living, unable to build any emergency fund or invest for long-term goals. Furthermore, the stress and the anxiety that comes with living beyond your means can have a detrimental impact on your mental and emotional well-being. It is essential to align your spendings with your income, prioritize financial stability, and adopt responsible financial habits to avoid the pitfalls of living beyond your means. Remember, true financial freedom comes from living within your means and building a solid financial foundation for your future. A bonus tip if you're still here with me. Another mistake is ignoring retirement planning. Retirement, the distant land of sunsets and hammocks. But wait, my friend, the golden years will come sooner than you think. Ignoring retirement planning in your early teens, 20s, and 30s is like embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. Start contributing to retirement accounts, explore employer match programs, and envision the retirement lifestyle you desire. And there you have it, folks. The 7 money mistakes to avoid in your early teens, 20s, and 30s. It's never too late to start implementing these strategies, regardless of your age. Take control of your finances and set yourself on a path towards financial security and success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Here's another video which highlights 7 bad money habits that keep you poor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.